Hello people, let's prepare chocolate mousse. Take bread pieces, then add sugar, cocoa powder, corn flour, coffee and milk. Blend this mixture and pour it in a pan. And then add gelatin powder. Stir it continuously till it becomes thick mixture. Let this mixture cool at room temperature. Grease a container and then pour this mixture. Let it set in a freezer for half an hour. Demold it. Sprinkle cocoa powder and then decorate it with gummy bears and chocolate balls. And it's ready. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, then comment below, share it with your friends, and if you are new, then subscribe.